So good morning, my dear students. As you can see, we have here the agenda, and we are going to continue with the social emotional content, then the topic, attendance, and goodbye. In the social emotional content, we have take care of our brain. Read this slowly. Imagine your mind like a garden. Here you can see some flowers. This is a rose. And your thoughts are the seeds. You get to choose what seeds you plant in it. You can plant seeds of positivity, love, and abundance. Or you can plant seeds of negativity, fear, and lack. You can also spend time trying to take care of everyone else's garden. Or you can work on making yours beautiful and attract other beautiful people to your garden. The question is, are you taking care of your brain? Are you planting seeds Seeds of positivity. Do you know what are the advices that you need to practice in order to take care of your brain? Nobody knows. First, you should practice exercise. For Laura doesn't work the microphone, but you can write in the chat, Laura. I want you to raise your hand, the ones who practice a sport. Raise your hand, please. If you practice any sport, you can practice football, basketball, volleyball, or any other sport. Nobody? Oh my God, because nobody raised. Oh, thank you. Here we have Fernando. Fernando practice and exercise. That's good, Fernando. The other advice to take into account and to practice is to get plenty of sleep. You should sleep at least 8 hours per day. How many hours do you sleep? Play soccer, says Tirsa. Excellent.
8 hours.
8.
8. If you sleep 8 hours, it's okay. But if you sleep less than 8 hours, that's not good for you. Because that's the way that your all the organs of your body are working, and they are like taking energy when you are sleeping. You should stay active. If you stay active, so that means that you are practicing or you are following or practicing the instructions in order to take off your brain. The brain is one of the most important organs of our body, so we need to take care of it. Now we are going to start with the development of the topic. But first, I want to ask you about flowers. Do you like flowers? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you like flowers or roses. I don't know. If you like flowers, what kind of flowers do you like? Excellent. We have different kinds. We know different kinds of flowers. Excellent. Could you please tell me what kind of flowers do you like with a specific name? You can write in the chat. We have the viola, the roses, the violet.
I like roses.
Excuse me, you like?
Roses.
Roses.
I like roses.
What colors?
Red.
Red color. You like red color roses.
Teacher, same to me in color purple.
Purple, Mauricio. Tirsa, pink roses.
Teacher, daisies.
Daisy too. Roses, lilies, and
Like
carnations.
daisies.
There is a variety of different kind of flowers and roses too. I'm going to show you a picture of the different kinds of flowers that there are. Look, we have here the types of flowers. We have daisy, rose, iris, narcissus, orchid, tulip, sunflower, cyclamen, carnation, poppy, pansy, violet, mimosa, daffodil, lily, hyacinth, anemone, gladiolus, forget-me-not. I didn't know about this. Bluebell, bougainvillea, buttercup, cactus flower, camellia, chrysanthemum. And here we have the different kind of roses. Hybrid tea roses, large flowers generally borne on one stem, medium to tall, inhabit with long cutting stems. That is very difficult to distinguish the name of each one. And you can see there are different colors. So we have reds, pink, this has yellow and white, purple. This is purple too, and there are many colors that we can select on this kind of roses. So in this class, we are going to study about in your spotlight book, your spotlight literature book, we are going to study in unit number 3. You have the unit that the name is Love in Idleness. Love in Idleness. And I don't know if you have seen the picture that is there. Look, we have some flowers too. Do you know what is the name of this flower? The name of this flower is the viola. How can you describe the viola? According to this picture, how can you describe the viola? A volunteer? Carmen, would you describe it?
The viola has color white, purple, yellow, black.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Now we have here, as you can see, this is a code. In this code, it says, yet mark I where the bolt of Cupid fell. It fell upon a little western flower, before milk white, now purple with love's wound, and maidens call it love in idleness. Written by William Shakespeare. Do you know William Shakespeare? Do you know something about William Shakespeare? Or did you forget about him? Now look at here in the bullet. This is the bullet. Here we have some questions. The first questions, have you ever been in love? Until now, I know that probably you are so young for being in love with someone, but it could be, we don't know. If so, talk about your experience. Question number 2. What are the characteristics of a good relationship? What do you think are the characteristics of a good relationship? If you have seen around you, what can you observe about it? Who can tell me what are the characteristics of a good relationship? Nobody?
Confidence.
Confidence, yes. What else? It is very important. Confidence.
Love.
Love, yes. What else?
Communication.
Communication. Communication is very important too. Now look at the,
Comprehension.
excuse me?
Comprehension.
Comprehension, yes. Comprehension of one to each other. And here we have the other question. Pay attention to this too, because this is very important and it's for you. If it existed, would it be right to use a love potion to make someone fall in love with you? Why or why not? What do you think about this question? If it existed, would it be right to use a love potion to make someone fall in love with you? Why or why not? What do you think? Would you like to do that if it existed or not?
No.
Why not? Why not? So think about it. Think about it. And here in the other question, what do you think about gender-based violence? What are the causes and what solutions would you propose to deal with this social problem? This is a social problem that we are facing in our world. So what do you think about gender-based violence? And what are the causes? What are the causes of violence? What do you think? Do you have an idea? Think about the possible answers to the question. Right now, I'm going to open the forum for you, and you are going to write 3 questions with the answers. You're going to select, there are in that bullet, there are more than 3 questions, but you are going to select only 3 questions and you are going to write the answers of that questions. Start thinking about it and what you are going to write and what questions you are going to choose. It's ready. You can start writing there, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to share my screen with you in order to show you about here in the forum, in the Richmond forum. Here you have the forum open. It is the topic, love in idleness. You are going to click here and you are going to start writing the 3 questions with the answers. If you have questions or you have problems for entering here to the Richmond platform, please let me know. Remember that you are going to click here in communications. You're going to click here in communications and then it's going to be open this box or the topic that is here. So if you don't have questions, you can working, you have 15 minutes for answering, for writing and answering that questions. Hernandez, you can work.
Sure.
Excuse me.
Wherever topic, I have the question.
Tell me.
Whatever topic, I have the question.
Enter right now, Laura. What do you mean, Fernando?
Teacher, whatever topic, may I have the questions?
whatever the topic. Remember
Yes.
let me see. You are going to take, the questions are here in the bullet. These are the questions. So you are going to choose 3 questions of this ballot. This is share your ideas. Because we have here more than 3 questions. We have like 7 or 8 questions, but you are going to choose only 3. And you are going to answer them. Write the question and the answer.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Do you have your book or do you want me to share the screen with you?
I have my book.
Okay. Or if you don't have your book, you can take a screenshot. So while you are working on that, yes, enter right now. Right now, Laura. The students that have problems with the computer, you can work in your cell phone. So when you hear your number, say present, please. Number 1,
Present.
2, 3.
Present, teacher.
2 is here. 3,
Number 2.
yes.
Present.
4,
Present.
5,
Present.
6, 7, 8. Present. Which number are you? Present number 8. Let's check. Present number 7. Present number 6. Number 8. Yes, it's here. Number 9. Number 9 present. Number 10. Yes, present too. 11. 12. 13. 14.
Present teacher, 13.
And 14 is present too.
Yes, teacher.
15.
Present.
16. 17.
Present.
18.
Present.
19. 20. 21.
Present teacher, 13.
13. Yes. 20 is not here. 21.
Present.
22. 23.
Present.
24.
Present.
25.
Present.
26. 26 present. 27.
Present.
28. 28 present. 29.
Present.
So I'm going to tell you the numbers of the students that are not here. I have 12, 16, 19, 20, and 22.
Teacher,
Tell me.
Richmond, where I have to read my questions.
They are ready.
In the platform, Richmond, where I have to read my questions.
Let me see. No, nobody has finished. Hasn't finished. You cannot read the questions. That's what you mean?
I can write
You
my question.
write the questions.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Write the questions and the answers.
No, where I have to write.
Ah, where do you have to write? Is here. I'm going to share the screen with you. Look, here you are going to click here in the topic. Do you have the topic?
Okay.
Yes. Can you see the topic in your form? You click on it and you start writing your questions and answers.
Okay, teacher.
Do it. If you still have problems, let me know. Remember, you have to click here first in communications. When you enter to the platform, you click here on communications and it's going to be open the chat. So in the chat, you are going to be able to write.
Teacher, I have a question.
Tell me.
What are we going to do for the STEAM project?
Oh, we are not included in the STEAM project. Until,
Okay.
until now, I guess we are not included. But next period, yes.
And what is the next evaluation?
The next evaluation, your second 35%.
Yes.
Your second 35% are these exercises that you have here in the plot. Here, look, pay attention to this. You're going to click here on the assignments. And there you are going to find the instructions for doing the exercises. Read carefully and choose or match the correct answer. You have until this Friday, 23rd. This Friday is going to be 23rd. And on that date, it's going to be closed. The time or this is going to be the due date. So try to do it, the exercises on this time. This is the last day that you have. And try to get 100%, please. Because if you get, let me see, like 50%, you are going to do the exercises again. Because 100% or 100% is a very low score. Did you send the questions and answers? Did you finish?
Yes, teacher,
Yes.
thank you.
Yes. So
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
I'm going
Finish.
to. Okay, excellent. I'm going to check your questions and answers later because time is over. Thank you very much for your attention and your participation. I hope to see you next class. Don't miss classes, please. Have a good appetite. Goodbye.
Thanks, teacher. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.